Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test part 1 for Introduction to Operating System. In this video, we will provide some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question first. Which of the following is false regarding resource management in an OS? It hides detail of execution. It should be transparent to applications. It always guarantees starvation-free multiprogramming. It should improve utilization of resources. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. It always guarantees starvation-free multiprogramming. Now let's go to question number second. Which component connects the CPU's memory interface with the PCI bus? So these are the option: front side bus, south bridge, PCI bridge, chipset. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. South bridge. Now let's go to question number third. The stack pointer in CPU points to. So these are the option: a frame present in the heap, a frame in the stack, global section, program counter location. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. A frame in the stack. Now let's go to question number 4. Arrange the correct order of execution. So these are the order: read bytes from memory, device drive sets attribute, printf, percentile, s, str executed, string displayed on monitor. So these are the option and your time starts now. And the answer is B. 3142. Now let's go to question number 5. Which of the following statement is false about kernels? So these are the option: monolithic kernel communicates directly with all modules. Monolithic kernel is faster than microkernel. Microkernel is faster than monolithic kernel. Monolithic kernel is more crash prone than microkernel. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Microkernel is faster than monolithic kernel. Now let's go to question number 6. Which OS is most suited for wireless sensor nodes? So these are the option: Linux, Windows, Contiki OS, Mac OS. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Contiki OS. Now let's go to question number 7. Which security mechanism is commonly used by operating system? So these are the option: multiprogramming, access control and biometrics, file descriptors, virtualizations. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Access control and biometrics. Now let's go to question number 8. Which OS abstraction ensures efficient usage of hardware? So these are the option: program counter, resource abstraction, PCB, trap frame. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Resource abstraction. Now let's go to question number 9. The maximum addressable memory max underscore size in a 32-bit Linux kernel is. So these are the option and your time starts now. And the answer is C. 0 into C 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 so on. So now let's go to question number 10. A synchronization mechanism in OS is mainly used to avoid. So these are the option: fragmentation, thrashing, race conditions, deadlocks. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Race conditions. Now let's go to question number 11. Which control register in Intel x86 architecture enables paging? So these are the options: CR0, CR1, CR2, CR3. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. CR0. Now let's go to question number 12. Which register in Intel system is known as the page table pointer register PTPR? CR0, CR1, CR2, CR3. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, CR3. Now let's go to question number 13. The bootloader switches the OS from, so these are the option: real mode to protected mode, user mode to kernel mode, protected mode to real mode, kernel mode to user mode. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, real mode to protected mode. Now let's go to question number 14. What is the size of page frame in a 32-bit processor with 22 ratio 12 address split? So these are the option: 4 KB, 4 MB, 8 KB, 16 MB. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 4 KB. Now let's go to question number 15. Which allocation strategy worsens fragmentation? So these are the option: best fit, first fit, roast fit, contiguous allocation. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, best fit. Now let's go to question number 16. What does the instruction LGDT do? So these are the option: loads GDT into MMU register, fills segment descriptor into GDT, fills kernel code segment only, initializes interrupt vector table. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, load GDT into MMU register. Now let's go to question number 17. Which one of the following is true about paging? So these are the option: block size equals frame size, every memory access may incur overhead reduced by TLB per process, page table stored on hard disk, frames need not be allocated into RAM blocks. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Every memory access may incur overhead reduced by TLB. Now let's go to question number 18. In segmentation, the number of bits for limit, base, and type in 32-bit descriptor are. So these are the option: 20, 32, 2, 32, 22, 32, 24, 20, 32, 4. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, 20, 32, 4. Now let's go to question number 19. If a virtual address is 38 bits with 12 bits for directory and 14 for page table, the page frame size is. So these are the option: 4 KB, 64 KB, 16 KB, 4B. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 4 KB. Now let's go to question number 20. Which function in OS allocates memory by scanning free blocks one by one? So these are the option: best fit, roast fit, first fit, contiguous model. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, first fit. Now let's go to question number 21. An inode in a file system stores. So these are the option: process ID, file contents, file metadata, context switch info. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, file metadata. Now let's go to question number 22. What is the total number of processes created by N for called? So these are the option and your time starts now. And the answer is B, 2 is to the power n. Now let's go to question number 23. A process whose parent excited before the child is called. So these are the options: zombie process, orphan process, init process, daemon. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, orphan process. Now let's go to question number 24. Which process is assigned PID equal to 1 in Unix-like system? So these are the options: shell, init, kernel, zombie. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, INET. Now let's go to question number 25. What is the state transition caused by a scanf call? So these are the options: new, ready, running, blocked, ready, running, blocked, ready. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, running block. So thank you friends for watching our mock test part 1 video of for introduction to operating system. We will meet in next video of introduction to operating system mock test part 2. So thank you friends for watching this video.